Hello, in this video I will tell you how to apply patch electrodes before using the navigation system. There are two versions of Unity system, stationary and mobile. Stationary are made in metal case and contain from 44 channels and more. Mobile system are made in plastic case and can contain 24 channels or less. In this video I will talk about the imposition of patch electrodes for stationary systems. Set of patch electrodes consists of 6 large patches and 3 small. 6 large patches is designed to generate a navigation field, 2 on each axis, X, Y and Z. 3 little ones are used as a reference for appropriate axes. Diagram of applying electrodes for stationary system depicted on the package from the patch electrodes. Patch electrodes should be connected to cable before applying to the patient. For the comfort of placing cable and the patient, the package may include a special mat with built-in cables. The mat is intended for use primarily stationary systems, so mobile systems can be mismatched in the titles of some of the connectors. The first patch electrodes goes on back, so it is advisable to ask the patient to sit down for the comfort applying the electrode. Here I also include reference R1 for stationary systems. All the following electrodes can be applied when the patient is already lying. The second patch is applied to the chest. The third patch is superimposed to left side. The fourth patch is superimposed on the right side. Here I also include reference R2 for stationary systems. The fifth patch is superimposed on the left leg or lower abdomen. Next superimposed reference. This is R3 for stationary systems. The sixth patch is superimposed on the left suprascapular area. When applying the electrodes, it should be taken into account that the patient can move while the skin can form folds, which in turn can lead to reduction of the electrode contact. The electrode should be positioned in such a way to minimize this possibility. Long-term contact is more important than accuracy of placing the electrodes. To do this, some electrodes can be rotated at 90 degrees. That's all. Thanks for attention.